I've got my Beachly and Birchbox. So if you want to check these out, see what's inside, and find out a little bit more about each, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's sitting next to me. Maybe he'll pop his little head in the frame. And Chloe is just on her phone doing whatever. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the reason I want to do these together is because Birchbox has been reintroduced. It was purchased by the parent company of Beachly. So I thought it would be a great opportunity to show you guys a little bit about, what that company does in their Beachly box as well as their Birchbox. So I'm going to start with the Birchbox because it's smaller. You do get to choose every item in this box. So there are full size choices as well as deluxe sample and packets. You have to be careful when you're choosing because it will tell you packets, but if you're not paying attention and you pick it and then you get this little packet in, you're like, really? That's really not worth it. So do pay attention to what it is. In the first two categories, there are full size options, and then I think the last category where you can choose 3 out of, that I think is all samples and again, the foil packets, which I don't think should be in there, but that's just my own opinion. You guys let me know. Here is your little sneak peek, and I do try to choose 2 full-size items every time I choose. Now, I don't know if the choices are different because I just watched Mary Catherine Loves Cats and it sounded like she had some different choices than I had. Maybe some same, but also some different. So a couple of products they're loving this month are the Pure Fully Charged Mascara, which I already own, and the Oat Milk PHA Serum. And I know I didn't choose the mascara because I do have it. It is a nice mascara. It's got magnet technology, which means that the mascara itself and the wand, has the magnetic charge to kind of pull it out longer. All right, so what did I choose? I don't have the values, but I will look those up. So my first full-size choice was this Onerio Sun Chasers Multi Mist, and I believe this was a skin and face mist. Look. All right, it says climate responsive care for hot, humid, sea, beach, or anywhere dreamy. Spray on linen. Oh, thank God I didn't spray it on me. Spray on linens, pillows, air, and even your body to refresh and energize. Avoid eye. So I wouldn't put this on face, but you can put it on your linens. You can put it, just spray it in the air. You can put it on your body. I'm gonna spray it on my pillow. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice and light and just refreshing. I love it. Love it. My other full-size choice item was by Diva Curl, and I'm thinking this was full, but it looks small. But I feel like, well, if it's not full size, it's a really good size. It is 1.6 fluid ounces. This is their Curl Bond Recoiling Treatment Mask, and it is a repair and bond. So this may not be full size, but it is a pretty good size. And from the other choices, like there was a lot of makeup, and I'm like, I really don't need any more blush. I think there was some mascara as well. Obviously, there's probably that Pure mascara. But, I always go for a hair item when I can, so that sounded pretty cool. I don't have specifically curly hair. I have kind of wavy hair, but it doesn't really look good on its own, if that makes any sense. Like, it has to be enhanced, otherwise it just looks a mess. My 3 sample items were by Verb. This is their Ghost Conditioner. So I've tried the hair protectant, and I love this Ghost hair protectant and the hair oil. So when I saw the conditioner, I was like, yeah, I'd like to try that. and the shampoo. And I always love it when I can get shampoo and conditioner together. And by Estate is the, oh, so maybe this was the other full-size product. Matte Mood Lipstick in Ghosted. Oh yeah, because this looks like a full size. So here's how it looks. And that is a lovely, lovely color. It's a light, dusty pink. They might call it a dusty rose. I'm gonna go with a dusty pink. So I'm really loving this and all the choices. I do have the Glam Bag for a year, but to be honest, for a few dollars more, I would definitely go with this over that. So when, I think I have it till next May though, like I totally didn't check. I would definitely in May cancel that and go with this, because my daughter and I both get it, and we seem to get a lot of the same items, which I find weird because we are definitely different ages and different profiles, but even the choice items all seem to be the same, so we have very little variation. Right, next is the Beachly box. So this is the parent company that purchased the Birchbox, and I have consistently loved it. This time around, I didn't get the email to do choices, and then I saw like something about choice, and I went on, and it was only for people currently, like new subscribers, and it wasn't open for me. It was already closed, so I emailed them, and I'm like, I never got an email to choose. So they were really good. They were like, oh, you should have gotten it, but here you go. We'll let you go look and see what they have, and you tell us your choices. So I did that, and I was able to fully customize it. You get a little booklet that tells you about the products. And this is their summer box. And they had some great options, but you know, some of the things I'm like, oh, I really don't need that, right? So they had this dress, and I'm like, I'm never gonna wear that. That's just not gonna happen. They had this speaker, this set of rings, which I thought was really pretty. This, what was this? Tumbler, a bracelet, some SPF by Kula, and these little trays shaped like monstera leaves. So these are all different categories too. So just so you know, like they're not, this isn't like category 2. I feel like these were all different categories. Or maybe this was, no, because this here. So they had these bags here, and your choice was which one pattern. They had these 2 long sleeve t-shirts. I didn't think that was great for the summer, and I also didn't care for the color gray. I thought it should be a different color. We have some hair accessories. We have measuring spoons, which I do own these. They're really nice. This bag, some body glow wipes. We have this serving tray with utensils, which I have already gotten from All True, which they did buy All True, which is probably why that was in there. So let's go over what I did choose. I went with the Speakwa speaker. I just thought it was super cute. And again, like the other items were the dress, I don't know, a bunch of other things. And I don't know if the t-shirts were a part of that or a different choice. But I really liked how this looked, and I thought this could go nicely in this room, and Chloe or I could both connect to it at different times, obviously, if we wanted to sit down here and listen to music, or I listen to Audible. So I thought that would be nice, and we could just set it down here, and it would kind of go with the decor. This is their Tropical Bliss waterproof speaker. It's valued at $80. $80. It says it has a trendy design, premium materials, user-friendly interface, and exceptional sound quality. And just so super cute. It even comes with the charging cord. And I really like that things are rechargeable now versus having to put batteries in them and then you forget that the battery's in there, and then the next time you go to use it, the battery's dead, and then you open it up and it's corroded, and now you're done. Next, I got these hair clips, and my daughter loves hair clips shaped like shells, so I thought she would really love this. Then I kind of sneaked these into her birthday box when she's not looking, which is coming up in another, well, by the time you see this, probably in another month. These are called Gulf Coast Shell Hair Clips. They're valued at $24. It says by Beachley, so they probably purchased them with their name on them. Next, by Pure Vita, is the Delicate Wave bracelet. This is a $15 value, and I thought that was so pretty. Oh, Pura Vida, which means pure life in Spanish. I will tell you, usually when you get your choice, they do let you add on extra things, and I don't remember what category the rings were in, but I did really like them. But I ended up getting something else instead, and I definitely would have added them on. And there is how it looks on. I know a lot of people have tons of them and just kind of stack them up, but this is the only one I have so far. Next, by Hirani, and you know, I need another cup like I need another bag, but I loved this. I just loved the tones of it, and it is stainless steel, so this is a 26 ounce. Oh look, it tells you though, like each ring is a different beverage or amount. This is the ombre insulated stackable tumbler with a $35 value, and it uses skinny wall triple insulation to keep your drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for 12 hours. And they use quality sustainable solutions to single-use products. And just look, I mean, look at that, so pretty. And there's the lid. So you've got a little place to put your straw, but then it closes down. And it does have a pretty good seal. I mean, I wouldn't throw this in my bag and carry it by any means, but it does have a very nice vacuum seal there. I do find with the vacuum seals, you need to have it open to get it down, and then this will snap right back into place. All right, next is the Jet Setter travel bag, and that's inside here. And these are Trailer Tree bags. They're by My Tagalongs. They're a $24 value. The brand is female founded, and it says that the founder discovered many women were still using Ziploc bags to organize the bulk of their essentials. She knew there had to be a better, more fashionable and affordable solution, and thus My Tagalongs was born. All right, let's take a look, because it looks like it's 2 bags. And again, with this category, it was just a variety of patterns that you could have chosen. So we have the outer bag, and then inside is another soft bag. And of all the patterns, this one, I don't know, I was just drawn to the colors. And I'll show you those colors that you had to choose from. So as I said, there were some really lovely ones. And there was one that was different. This one was different than the others. These all have a plastic outside one, and then that inside bag. And this was a little bit different, but I don't remember what exactly it was. And it doesn't even say. And my last item, as I said, I need this as much as I need more cups. But it is the bag. It does have a zipper. And there's a zipper pocket right here. And it's definitely a water resistant, if not waterproof material. Serenade water resistant bag. And this is a $50, I'll pay $50 for that. And it says it will protect your belongings from a cannonball splash, a knocked over sandcastle, and even a little cocktail mishap. We partnered with B Swim and used their best-selling swim prints to create this one-of-a-kind bag. B Swim is a trend-driven swimwear brand. They have color palettes for every vibe, celestial, nautical, and all those neutral feels. All right, so that is my Beachley bag. The only thing that I wish I had gotten was the rings. I thought those were so pretty. Right here. And if they ever offer them again, I will probably snag them. But this time around, I think the choice in that, I feel like I don't know, I feel like whatever I chose instead of that, I really had more draw towards, but if I could have added them on, I definitely would have. All right, so that's my Beachley and Birchbox. Let me know your thoughts. Are you interested in trying the new Birchbox? I will say I'm really excited that you can get some full-size options in there. I think that was a great way for them to go. I never got Birchbox before, but I did hear towards the end you could swap out and get one full-size instead of your 5 samples. And I like that you can get 2 full-size items. And as long as you're paying attention, you won't get any foil packets. So that's what I had to learn my lesson in. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.